Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are delighted to offer this awesome Harley-Davidson FLHTK Ultra Limited 1868. Registered on the 21st of December 2021 on a 71 plate with 25,467 miles and supported by Harley-Davidson service history. Presented in a stunning custom paint scheme, this Ultra Limited has been customized and upgraded to an exceptionally high standard, making it a real head-turner. This particular example benefits from an extensive list of premium upgrades and factory features, including the Harley-Davidson Screamin Eagle Stage 4131C performance conversion, complemented by an S&S Cycle high-flow air intake and S&S Grand National exhaust system. Further enhancements include premium Öhlins remote reservoir rear suspension, the Twin-Cooled Milwaukee-Eight powertrain, Harley-Davidson's boombox infotainment system with built-in satellite navigation, electronic cruise control and heated grips. Comfort and touring capability are further enhanced by a custom diamond-stitched touring seat with red contrast stitching, color-matched hard panniers, a color-matched sissy bar and luggage rack, engine guard/highway bars, and a blacked-out engine package. Completing the package is a striking custom grey and black paint scheme, beautifully finished with subtle red pinstriping throughout. This truly stunning example will leave us fully prepared in our workshop, serviced where required, with a full pre-delivery inspection, 12 months MOT, and a complimentary 3-month warranty. The option to extend this to a 12 or 24-month warranty is also available. We can deliver this bike anywhere in the UK and offer a wide range of finance packages to suit your needs. Please note we have a small £89 admin fee, applicable on all of our bikes. For more information, please contact us on 01424444444, 8 email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk or WhatsApp 07359837799. Thank you for watching and we look forward to hearing from you soon.